Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about BullDoge. This is a new cryptocurrency, a new token on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's like Shiba Coin, Dogecoin, and something on that vibe. With that being said, let's just go right into the video. So hoping here on their website, the most bullish deflationary token on the Binance Smart Chain. It has a 10% fee on all transactions being distributed among holders. So if we scroll down, the longer you hold, the more you will earn. BullDoge is a rug-proof community-owned token built on the Binance Smart Chain that rewards all holders with constant distribution of 10% from every transaction made. 60% of the total supply was burned at the launch time, with contract ownership renounced and liquidity locked. Here we have all the links. If you guys want to see for yourself, just click on the website and scroll a bit down on the see yourself section. We can see the liquidity locked, 6% supply burned, and the ownership renounced. So moving on to their roadmap. So in May, they have already done the BullDoge fair launch, website creation, Twitter marketing account, Reddit posts on CMS and other pages, TikTok video releases, blog follow listing, CoinGecko application, audit application in process, BNB giveaways at 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 and 10,000 holders. Milestone. In June, they're going to build the donation wallet plus dev contributions to marketing, ad research for marketing, and PooCoin charts, CoinMarketCap listing, potential to expand to other exchange listings, expansion of the team members, and the dog donation wallet to contribute to homeless dog shelter charity in efforts to make a difference. And in July, Whitebit exchange communication for listing more CX listings, further expansion into the talks of the new BullDoge app game, staking mechanism for token holders, and exclusive NFTs for BullDoge. So moving on the BSCScan, we can see that they are currently sitting at 975 holders. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 730 members, where this community is very active and very good, as well as following them on Twitter, where they post every update there is. Quick disclaimer guys, this is not financial advice or anything else. Always do your own research before buying any of these shitcoins. Moving on the chart itself, so this token was launched on the 12th of May, and now it almost is getting a new all-time high. Okay, so now I want to show you guys on how to buy BullDoge. So firstly, you'll need MetaMask or Trust wallet with BNB in your wallet. Now go onto their website, click on the buy on Pancake swap. It will redirect you to Pancake swap website. After that, just put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap for BullDoge. Make sure slippage tolerance is on 11%. Click on swap, confirm swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. So that being it for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and do your own research before buying. All the links for the BullDoge will be down into the description. Flash out.